Some amazing new features added to ServiceMonster in the 6.2.5 release. Let me highlight a few of those for you. In Leads, in the lead modal, you can now copy lead notes to account pages, order pages, and job pages. The next feature addition is a favorite section added to the bulk add modal. In Orders, clicking on the bulk add items, you'll notice this new section for favorites. This is comprised of your frequently used or favorite line items. We added a complete flag or button on the lead record. After you've won the lead, created a work order for them, and you want to go in and mark it as complete, all you have to do is click on this button. It will flag you if no payment has been applied to the order. But if you click OK, it will show it complete in the system. While we're here, I want to point out an Activities tab that was added to the lead modal. Notice it on the left-hand side right here. So let me walk you through the process of this next one. So when you have a new lead, you now have this option to accept with opportunity. That way, the ServiceMonster 6 system links the lead to an opportunity and takes you to the Opportunities page, which you'll notice now lists lead information. If you go back to the leads list, click on the same lead, you'll also notice this added Opportunity button. They're now linked. For the next feature, let's stay here at the same opportunity. I want to point out that we added an option to copy the lead source from an opportunity to any orders you make from the Opportunities page. All you have to do is click this Copy to New Orders, and then any new order you create will list the Opportunities lead source automatically. The final new feature I want to point out is the new Complete filter. So any leads you mark as complete will appear under this filter. As always with any new release, there are fixes. The one I want to point out to you is in the Quick Add. We changed the Possible Matches section. Before, the Possible Matches was listing only about 9 to 10 possible matches, and they were not in any sort of order. We now have set it so it lists more than that, as you can see, and it lists it in alphabetical order.